It's my great.
But why would you forget such thing like that?
Ma, you know I love your daughter. I love her dad so much.
Your daughter now that wants to marry my. I cannot allow that man to marry my daughter, not even when I'm alive.
Stop this. Stop. I don't want you to get any happy. What would be my benefit in marrying him? Oh.
The hand of enemy. Eh?
No tail.
We won't carry on. Crazy guests like Meg the Stallion. But my girlfriend, they